Today we're looking at Joe's 2013 Lexus CT200h, and we're in for a big one today. CT200h is pretty cool. If you don't know, it's actually a third-gen Prius, but it's more stylish. It's better looking. You could actually get the CT200h in F-Sport trim. It has sporty wheels, nice interior. When you drive this thing, you get the economy of a Prius, but the style, the sporty feel of a Lexus. While this vehicle is actually pretty close, it's basically a Lexus Prius, if you want to put it that way. I feel like they drive a little smoother, a little quieter. They look really cool if you put some nicer wheels. I've seen guys put coilovers on the F-Sport. I think they look good. I think I would take this vehicle over the third-gen Prius. It's pretty sporty. Joe reached out to us about a CT and said that it was making an abnormal noise on startup, strange smell from the tailpipe. I was losing coolant. Yeah, these things might sound familiar if you know about Priuses, 2010 to 2012 Toyota Prius and head gasket failures. This may have head gasket failure, and we're gonna jump into it. For somebody who doesn't really know what that means or know much about cars and what's going on under the hood, I'll explain that. With this engine, there's different layers to an engine. The bottom half kind of acts as an air pump. It sucks air in and it pushes exhaust out. The top end of the engine, the cylinder head, controls when the air comes in, when the exhaust goes out. So there's a gasket between those two things, that cylinder head and the cylinder block. When that gasket fails, we get a misfire, we get coolant leaks, we can get internal, external oil leaks, a whole host of problems, and the vehicle doesn't run right. We think that's what's happening with this vehicle right now. I can show you what's going on with this engine, but let's go over here. I got one in the scrap pile we just did, and I'll show you what's going on. This is the Toyota Prius, or CT200h, also the Toyota Corolla 2ZR FE or 2ZR FXE when it's hybrid. I can show you, if you come in close, I can show you what the block is, where the head's at, where the head gasket is. This lower section of the engine is called the block. That's the cylinder block. That houses the crankshaft, the rods, the pistons, all the guts. This top section is the cylinder head. What we suspect has failed in Joe's CT is the gasket between those two components, and we believe there's coolant entering the cylinder that's misfiring. And this is a super common issue, especially on 2010 to 2012 Prius, early CT200, and really it's affected from 2010 to 2015, 2010 and 2012 being the worst. It's very common. I have probably, in 15 years of Toyota, I have probably done 24 or more head gaskets. Sometimes when the head gasket goes on long enough, fails long enough, we have to actually put an engine into it due to internal failure or extreme damage, catastrophic damage or failure. Let's jump into this one. Concerns, or one of the biggest complaints, is whenever you start the vehicle up on cold start with a head gasket failure, there's a clatter noise. This one's got a little bit of it. Another symptom you'll have is low coolant. Check out this reservoir, it's almost empty. We're losing that coolant into the affected cylinder. Lastly, one symptom you'll see is smoke from the tailpipe. This is coolant that is trying to burn inside the cylinder, basically looking like a vape cloud. If you like this kind of content, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for real shop talk. What am I saying? You get the point. Hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget, I read every single comment on every video. So if you have questions about your car, drop it below. I'll do my best to answer it.